Hey, this is Dallas with Critical Hit Pest Management. Today I'm at a customer's house and they're having a little bit of issues with some mice getting into the garage. And I wanted to show you one of the coolest products that is out in the market today to handle rodent control issues, especially with trying to seal up cracks and crevices and entry points into your house. So if you look at this house here, you see that we have this area where the mice are able to get in, and they've just been running up in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this product, which is called Roban Barrier, also called Rodent Stop. And what's cool about this is that this product has metallic flakes that are inside of it, and it goes out like a putty. You'll see it here in a second when I put it out. It goes out like a putty, and then it dries and it's solid. And so when the rodent starts gnawing on it to try to get through, it'll turn back into a gel, but it has that metallic flake in there. So it'd be like you consuming aluminum foil. You know, try chewing on aluminum foil, you wouldn't like that either. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna go underneath the bottom side of it here, and we're just gonna start injecting the product underneath. Get us a nice little barrier set up. The other great thing about this product is you can paint it. So, get ourselves a nice little base set up here. Let that set for a second. Go back and fill this side up. Okay. Put another layer on there. Now we'll start building upwards this way. Inject it and let it catch. It'll catch and hold eventually. There we go. Go back down on it. Across and up. Now I'm gonna let that set for a second to kind of harden. What I'll do, I'll go back and smooth it over. But as you can see, now this area is sealed, and it's going to protect a heck of a lot better for the mice getting inside this area than what was previously done. And I'll probably have to go do the other side as well. But once that sets, it's pretty much done. I'll clean it up, make it look a little bit better for the customer, but then they can go back and paint it and match it into the brick. So really cool product. Okay, as you can see here, I went back and smoothed it out. So this will dry, and then they can paint over that if they like. But that is going to help seal out and protect the home from rodents coming in. The only thing I would change is this right here. We're gonna need to get a new garage garage door barrier installed there. But once that's done, that should seal up this very nicely. One more thing, the weed poles on the side of the house, I went ahead and hit one there and one there. We believe that they're coming in from there as well. So that's the only thing else I did. I wouldn't do all the weed poles. The house does need to breathe, but one or two here and there is okay. And then we also sealed up that side right there. So overall, good job done, and should definitely help prevent mice from getting in any further.